And so 34 actors in a film, it's not something easy to pull off. How was the chemistry on set? How was the atmosphere? What was the camaraderie like? Because there are so many people around.
You cannot describe the chemistry because there are so many people. So it's like everyone's not with everyone. So everyone, someone's sitting with someone, someone's sitting with this person, somebody's sitting with this person. Everyone's finding their own comfort zone. Somebody's not available today. Somebody's taking a nap in the van. So it was like पुराने ज़माने में कैसी फिल्में बनती थी,
हाँ.
मुगले आज़म and all. There's multiple actors, or the Rajkumar Kohli films.
Right.
Where there are multiple stars, somebody's coming, somebody's going. It was like that. It was like a chip of the old block, like a party happening on set. Chilled out, not too corporatized an atmosphere, not too quiet and not too disciplined. Ahmed wanted everybody to be happy. He said, my set, I can see that everyone is smiling. So it used to be that kind of an atmosphere. Okay. So, and ऐसा लगता था कि हम अपने दोस्तों और यारों के साथ reunite कर रहे हैं. क्योंकि हम कभी-कभी 2-3-4 महीनों के बाद मिलते थे. So it used to be like a reunion. Right. So it was literally like a college canteen. Let's put it that way.
Recently a colleague of mine also spoke to Ahmed, where he mentioned that the film has been made on a budget of some roughly 120 crores, and there were over 50 vanity vans and more than 34 actors and all. I want to understand that while you have also been a producer, and while you act on films after becoming a producer, how much do you also when you are on set?
Yes, of course. When I'm sitting and doing my makeup, and when हम लोग जब set पर पहुंचते थे, तो अपने वैन तक पहुंचने में 5 मिनट लग जाते थे.
हाँ.
क्योंकि we have to go through all these vans, like a huge line of vans. I used to see while going in, मैंने कहा अच्छा इसका ये इसका, ये श्रेयस का है, ये मुकेश जी का है, ये जॉनी भाई का है. फिर मेरा वैन आता था तो मैं बैठता था, जाता था अपने वैन में. So I used to wonder कि डेली कॉस्ट कितना होता होगा. इतने सारे वैन्स का, सबके स्टाफ. Is it really worth taking so many actors? I used to wonder that Ahmed has a dream, has a vision. He's bringing in a new genre, like Police Academy or something like that, which used to work in Hollywood earlier, but it's never been attempted in India. So he's doing something original in the sense that it's his baby. But is it really worth it? Does it really justify having so many actors? So much kharcha, kitna kharcha hota hoga? मैं सोचता था. But now when you see the film, and even while it was being made, he was so staunch about the fact that I need everybody in every shot. When this film resumed after a year, there was a gap of a year. When it resumed after a year, he never thought that चलो 3 actors available है आज, तो मैं उनके साथ scene कर लेता हूँ. As long as मेरा scene खत्म करो यार, अभी कोई नहीं आया तो नहीं आने दो, dialogue उसके निकल जाएंगे, चलो रहने दो. He's no, I need everybody. ये नहीं है आज, मैं कैसे करूँगा, तो मैं कल करना पड़ेगा. He stuck to his gun. He literally stuck to his gun and he finished the film that way. And then when you see the film now, the best compliment that I get is that people say कि सबका काम अच्छा है.
Exactly.
Everybody's justified. That credit goes to the director and the producer who believe that we need so many vans, because this is the film that needs so many actors. Yeah.